Hello, my name is Chris Murphy. I'll be teaching you Environmental Science 111, and what I'm going to do in this introductory video is just give you an overview of what's in the course and what's expected of you. What you're going to need to do is make sure you're very comfortable with the use of Canvas, and as I go through the course I'll open up new parts and new assignments so that you can fulfill what is required for each week's work. So what I'm going to do is basically go through the course, give you an overview of some of the things you want to do and what's expected for the first week initially. So the course is broken up into a number of different weeks. In the very first week, what you're going to have, will have basically, there's a number of different documents that you're going to have to read. There's going to be this introductory video, there's the syllabus, there is a document relating to course protocol and netiquette, and what this is basically what's expected of you within the course. There's a section on how attendance is going to be recorded, and there's also a section called General Concerns. In this General Concerns, what you want to do, if you have any problems relating to the course, or you want to contact me outside of, say, office hours or via Zoom, click on the General Concerns and basically I will answer anything that you post. It may be of help to other students. So, the first week, you read these. You also then have 3 very small assignments. There's an assignment called Student Information. This is just giving me information if I need to contact you. Course Protocol and Netiquette assignment. Basically, this is just a signature to say that you have read and agreed to the terms in the Netiquette agreement. And there's an introductory discussion. This is just a very basic discussion just to introduce yourself, so I know a little bit about you, so other people know a little bit about you. Okay. Also in week 1, we're going to start into some of the topic areas. One of these topic areas is basically what is science? What is environmental science? That I've done some notes relating to what is environmental science, some notes relating to scientific method. If you click on these and read them, it'll give you an overview. There's also some short videos which I'll be using as I go through the course, and then a discussion question. And you click on these discussion questions and basically it's asking you to do 2 posts. You're going to answer one of the questions at the bottom, and basically you're going to put forward your views and then comment on someone else's discussion post. Okay, it's very, very simple. It's often interesting to find out other students' opinions or views of certain topics as we go through. Then after that we get to week 2, and this is basically a module which looks at a number of the underlying themes of this course, such as humans and sustainability, and I've given you a number of different short sections of notes which you can read. There's a number of videos to back up my notes, and also, again, by the time you've read these notes, you will have enough information to do test 1, and also to get involved in, again, the second of these discussions, which is all about the concept of sustainability. Okay? Week 3, we move into a major topic area of population. And again, done a number of different notes. I put forward some videos to help you with this. And there is a population discussion. Why I say this is a major topic is your very first report is based upon a question relating to population. Okay? Week 4, we continue population, looking at other concepts within population. There's a number of videos to help you. And also, this is where you can start to look at report 1. It will be open before this, but if at this point you should have read everything, you have enough information to be able to start and make a good attempt at your report. You have until the 18th of October to submit this report. Then week 5, we move into the urban environment. This is a linking topic between population and the environment. This is where we're moving into cities and the problems relating to those cities. We talk about urbanization, the growth of cities, the patterns that are taking place within cities. We also are going to look at some of the things that have happened in a number of cities around the world, things like urban sprawl. Then we'll also look at, by putting these people in cities, what are some of the advantages and disadvantages of these cities. And again, what we have, once you've read all this, you'll be able to do test 2. Again, under each of these topics, if you have a problem relating to these notes in this week, put it under the general discussions and I can explain specifically about any of the notes that I put forward. In week 6, we move into transportation and the problems of transportation in cities. We're also going to be looking at the future of cities and how to make cities sustainable. And again, the assignment for week 6 is urbanization and future cities. There's a number of questions. Again, what you would do is you just click on it and you'd find the questions and you put forward your ideas relating to those questions. Okay, so that's week 6. Week 7, we move into the concepts of air pollution. What we'll look at is the atmosphere, we'll look at outdoor air pollution, some of the smogs, acid deposition, but we'll also, week 6 and week 7, start to look at acid deposition and then indoor air pollution. Again, here we have a test 3, and also there's air pollution discussion. We then, by week 8, what we start to look at is indoor air pollution. And again, there's a discussion question in week 8 relating to indoor air pollution. By week 9, we're moving into climate change, global warming, ozone depletion. Again, I've written some notes. There's a number of videos relating to these lessons. And also, there is some notes relating to ozone depletion. And as we go through, assignments relating to global warming. There's a discussion relating to a global warming question. Week 10, we're starting to look at water and water pollution. Again, there's notes, informative videos, and a discussion. By week 10, we have test 4. Week 11, we start to look at waste. There's a couple of videos relating to examples of waste. There's some notes relating to waste. And again, there's a discussion question. By week 12, we're going to look at food resources, agriculture, food security, the concept of genetically modified organisms. And we have food discussions. Also in this week, there is, you have to submit report 2. Okay? So you will have had plenty of time to be able to get this report 2 in. By week 13, what we'll be looking at is energy. Again, there's notes relating to the energy, and again, another discussion question. Week 14, we'll look at minerals and soils. There's some notes relating to rocks and minerals. There's a number of articles relating to minerals and mining. Also, some videos relating to soils. And week 15, last week, looking at sustainability, sustainable biodiversity and ecological integrity. And there's some sort of like notes and articles relating to this. There is also a final exam review, and following week will be the final. So this is basically an overview of the course. But like I said, if you want to find out what is actually in my course, what you're going to need to do is have a look at the syllabus, go through the syllabus, anything you don't understand, have a look. There's a lot of useful information. You've got the assignments and the due dates of those assignments. In addition to that, there is, like I said, general concerns relating to any problems you have relating to the course. Each week, like I said, each week, if you have any problems relating to the certain notes, like for example, there's these general discussions about week two's notes. So if you didn't understand something relating to the sustainability notes, put a question in. I'll answer it for you. Okay, so hopefully it's given you a rough overview of what we'll be doing, and hopefully you'll enjoy this course. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Bye bye.